Hello friends, welcome to Kadhai and Grill. Today I'm making chili sauce. Let's get started. Cut the chilies and take them into a bowl along with the ginger and garlic pieces. Transfer the bowl into an instant pot or a pressure cooker and boil it thoroughly. Move the contents into a blender or a mixie jar. I'm adding half a teaspoon of Ajinomoto, but it's totally optional. Blend all of this into a very fine paste and move it to the container which we used for boiling. Put this on the flame into a low or medium heat. Let it simmer for some time and keep stirring it so that it doesn't burn at the bottom. Use a tablespoon of corn flour and make it into corn flour slurry and add it to the mixture while stirring it so that it gives the consistency that we expect from a sauce. Keep mixing it and let it come to boil. Once it completely cools down, use a funnel to put it into a bottle. Thanks for watching my video. Please click on like and subscribe to my channel.